Two-part ora Verde polyurethane is a protective coating applied to internal wood products to enhance and protect the natural beauty of the wood. Two-part high solids polyurethane systems are typically used for a high-end look, depth of appearance, and excellent durability. Two-part polyurethane systems have been the coating of choice on yacht interiors, restaurants and bars, as well as expensive musical instruments due to their high-end appearance. Also, because of their durability, two-part polyurethane systems have become very popular with the office furniture and kitchen cabinet industries. A major benefit of two-part polyurethanes is they do not contain formaldehyde, as opposed to acid cure systems which off-gas formaldehyde in the curing process. Formaldehyde-free polyurethanes provide for LEED, BIFMA, or Green Guard certification. When mixing two-part polyurethane materials, it is important to be aware of the ratio of hardener to base material. Always confirm the correct mixing ratio on your product information sheet. Typically, the equipment that is used for hand applying any coating, whether it be conventional air, HVLP, or air-assisted airless guns, can easily be used to apply two-part polyurethanes. It is important to consult your local health and safety regulations for proper personal protective equipment required for spraying polyurethanes. If you are looking for a tough, durable coating system that is easily applied and will give your customer a product that can look beautiful and last for years, then two-part ora Verde polyurethane is the coating you are looking for.